Next, I'm whipping up a delicious frothy vanilla milkshake. While the classic recipe calls for just 2 simple ingredients, vanilla ice cream and whole milk, this decadent duo will flood your system with more than 500 calories while delivering a fair share of saturated fat and sugar. There could be as much as 16 teaspoons of sugar in this shake. Instead, have my Joy Food version. There's not a drop of added sugar, and it is healthy enough to drink in the morning. Here's how we make it. Half a cup of frozen pineapple, half of a frozen banana, half a cup of 2% reduced fat milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just 3 to 5 ice cubes. And blend it up. This looks amazing. The original junk food version, more than 500 calories and up to 16 teaspoons of sugar. My Joy Food version, just 170 calories without a drop of added sugar. And now I'm going in for a taste. It's sweet from the combination of the pineapple and banana, but it still tastes like ice cream.